Luxury redefined, elegance unlocked. You won't believe the final feature. The front fascia of the Tesla Model Y Juniper Refresh commands presence with its sleeker, more aggressive redesign. The minimalist grille and sharper contour lines hint at a futuristic personality. Tesla's logo remains understated yet iconic, set into a smooth and aerodynamic front panel. The refreshed LED headlights are slimmer, more powerful, and packed with adaptive lighting tech. They automatically adjust based on road conditions and offer excellent visibility without blinding other drivers. The signature Tesla light pattern adds personality while improving safety. 0 to wow in seconds. There's no engine, but there's magic under the hood. Pop the hood and you'll find no engine. Instead, you're greeted by a spacious frunk, proof of Tesla's innovation-first engineering. Without a traditional engine, there's extra cargo room and better weight distribution. Hidden beneath is the powerhouse. From the side, the Model Y Juniper looks more refined than ever with new flush lines and a dynamic silhouette. The updated side profile shows off aerodynamic design elements that improve range and handling. Frameless windows add a premium feel while enhancing cabin quietness. Rolling with attitude, these wheels do more than just turn heads. The refreshed wheels come in bold new designs, combining form and function. Aerodynamic alloys improve efficiency while adding sporty flair. Whether it's the 19-inch Gemini or 20 induction options, they grip the road like performance tires on a racetrack. The dark matte finishes elevate the entire side profile. Tesla's redesigned rear lights stretch wider and appear sharper, offering a futuristic glow when lit. The subtle trunk lip spoiler and a lower, more aggressive bumper accentuate the vehicle's width. The tailgate opens wide for easy access, and the power liftgate makes everyday use a breeze. Sit back, feel the future. Comfort meets cosmic design. Step inside, and you're welcomed by plush vegan leather seats that contour to your body. Heating and ventilation systems are seamlessly integrated for year-round comfort. The panoramic windshield extends overhead, adding space and light to every drive. Both seats offer 12-way power adjustability with memory functions. Tesla has turned the front seats into first-class lounges. The dashboard is where technology meets tranquility. A redesigned yoke or standard wheel, your choice, pairs with a massive 15-inch touchscreen that controls nearly everything. The interface is cleaner, faster, and more intuitive with the latest software updates. Stay tuned for more luxury content and rides that push every boundary.